How's it going, everybody? We got a Gundam, and I'm back with Harrison again.
You're gonna be stuck with me.
Anyway, we started unboxing, and yeah, it's a really cheap kit. It's the reason we bought it.
And luckily, our model shop that we go to had a sale going on, so we got it for even cheaper.
Yeah, so we started assembling by cutting out PC parts. However, I'm not a huge fan of this kit because it was really hard, or I'm stupid. Probably the latter.
Yes, you are actually very unintelligent.
Here, if you look closely, you can see me struggling on the head because I have the fine intelligence of a newborn goldfish.
Yeah, I guess. I would say more of a rotten potato level.
I think that's smarter than a newborn goldfish.
Well, one's an inanimate object, and another is a fish. The one's living and one's not. Okay, we're getting on a side tangent.
Anyway.
He struggled really, really hard with the head. I have no idea why. If he looked at the instructions for 5 seconds, it would have actually not been very hard.
But I don't like following instructions because usually when you go to build a battleship, it tells you like to glue the walls down to the deck, which doesn't make sense if you want to paint it. So I usually don't look at the instructions that much. I think I'm conditioned by battleships.
And yeah, so that was his struggle, not mine.
I am not having any fun with the model at all.
Yeah, that was very evident when he was building it. He didn't really enjoy the build that much.
No, I didn't. I think it's because I wasn't following the instructions, because when you're building a battleship, it tells you to glue the walls to the deck and then the deck above it, so it's impossible to paint it. I think I'm just conditioned by battleships and other boat models and other models of sorts to not follow the instructions.
Yeah, which you don't do with Gundam. You follow the instructions with them. And since you didn't follow the instructions, I have to terminate you now.
No.
Well, with him gone, this is my channel now. It's only gonna be Gundam content. No more Drake, no more nothing. It's gonna be a fascist regime now. So if you say mean word in comment, I obliterate you.
I'm back from the dead.
Oh, you guys heard nothing.
Okay.
Nothing.
Okay. I'm just not gonna question what happened while I was gone anyway. Now, we're working on his big man shoulders.
Yeah, big man plan.
We're never retiring that joke. Never.
Stuck with it forever.
forever. You will no longer leave it. You will no longer leave it. You will no longer leave it. You will no longer leave it.
You will no longer leave it. You will no longer leave it. You will no longer leave it. You will no longer leave it. You will no longer leave it.
Okay, what are we doing with our lives?
Oh.
It's a good question.
It was at this moment that Drake knew he had no idea where he was going with his life and that his futile existence meant nothing.
And we're almost done.
Yeah, we have a few bits to put back together, but that's about it.
Yeah. And, you know, it was a horrible build in my standpoint. I don't know about you, Harrison.
Fine. I built this kit before I lost it, the original one. I built, but I'm glad to have him back.
Yeah. It's like a father and his son united. You've been gone for half his life.
Actually, he's older than me.
That don't make no sense.
The kit was made like in the 2000s. Yeah, it was made in 2006.
Anyway, well, we are gonna go. Bye. And now we are almost done. So, yeah, we just putting everything all together, and and we got everything built. So, we're just gonna do this.
Run to
now
the
it's
view.
done. Now, on to the review. The price, 9 out of 10. We got it it was $25 on the shelf, but our store was on sale, 20% off, which was $21, I think.
Good sale.
Posability, 6 out of 10. It's a Xeon kit, so, you know.
They don't have the greatest posability, personally, but yeah.
Yeah. Our build time, we took an hour and 20 minutes to do it. We had 2 people, so it might be a little incorrect. So 7 out of 10. Fun to build, though. 0 out of 10. I'd give it that, but Harrison says otherwise.
I gave it a 7 because I don't really mind it that much. So we collaborated in 5%. 5 out of 10.
Quality, 4 out of 10. We have 2 things to say. One of them, there's a piece right on the back that we just can't figure out how it goes in. It's like really hard, and we don't know how.
It doesn't have
or
like
what's
any
going on.
real connection points. So if you guys can tell us how it connects in the comments,
Please. And then another thing, the shield won't go into the arm. I have no idea what it is, or if it's a piece we were missing, and I just kind of feel dumb because if it's a piece we're missing, I think we're stupid. Hey, so I was editing the video and I realized that there in fact was a piece that went there, and we are just stupid. I hate myself.
Also, it was a 30 out of 50, so, and about 60%, so a little bit less than the Ghibli was, but still a decent kit.
All right, and thank you for watching, and see you later. So this was our first video with character. Second video. Oh my god, I'm dumb.
We're not recording this again. We've recorded this like 50 times.
Yeah, and this is just the end card. So yeah, here's a blooper.
Oh, I want to be mean for an episode. You're mean to me almost every episode. I want to be the mean one. Get back in the kitchen and make me a sandwich.
No.
Oh.